semi-finalists. Ladies and gentlemen, let me invite Mr. Susanta Aich, General Manager, Santaldia Thermal Power Station, a step towards zero incident in Santaldia Thermal Power Station. Mr. Susanta, please unmute yourself.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Actually, I would like to thank Scotch primarily and all the juries and all the participants. Basically, we are thermal power plant under the West Bengal government, West Bengal Power Development Corporation Limited. We all know that thermal power plants are basically very prone to accidents and incidents. So we have worked hard and submitted our project as about the last 500. I would like to say that for the last 600 days, we are not facing any accident or incident. So that is our project. And finally, I would like to say that this award will definitely motivate us. This acknowledgement will definitely motivate us. And we will strive forward to have another 1 year without accident or incident. So finally, big thank for Scotch Group and big thank for all the juries. Thank you.
Absolutely fantastic, and wish you all the best. Congratulations for this. Mr. Lal Rothanga, Chief Executive Officer, Aizawl Smart City Limited for Pelican Crossing System.
Thank you. First of all, I would like to apologize on behalf of Aizawl Smart City Limited, as CEO could not make a speech for the preparation of the third wave. And a big thank you to Scotch Foundation for giving us the opportunity and the platform for showcasing the Pelican Crossing System of Aizawl Smart City Limited. Though the Pelican Crossing System may not be a very big project in terms of physical and financial means, but it is a very big step towards promoting pedestrian system in Aizawl City. And I would like to take the opportunity to thank the Smart City Aizawl team for making this project a success. And I would like to request all that are present to take one step in promoting pedestrianism in each of our city. Thank you. Big thank you to Scotch Foundation.
Congratulations to you. I now invite Berhampur Municipal Corporation Commissioner Dr. Siddheshwar Baliram Bondar, rejuvenating water bodies, innovation in city landscape. The next one also goes to Berhampur Municipal Corporation, promoting sustainable environment conservation and women empowerment. Mrs. Nidhi Singh Rajput, CEO, Jabalpur Smart City Limited for non-motorized transit.
जबलपुर से सर स्कॉच ग्रुप का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। ये नॉन मोटराइज ट्रांजिट के लिए जो अवार्ड जबलपुर को मिला है, जबलपुर की जनता के लिए बहुत सौभाग्य की बात है। थैंक यू सर।
आपको शुभकामनाएं। The next one also goes to Jabalpur for Digital Library Gandhi Bhavan. Sundays for Srinagar Municipal Corporation, Mr. Athar Amir Khan, Municipal Commissioner.
Good afternoon and thank you so much. This is really a big encouragement for us, and this will also motivate our whole team here to take this initiative forward and to make sure that we're able to provide better services in Srinagar and also ensure that Srinagar becomes one of the cleanest and greenest cities across the world. That's the target we all are working on. And this initiative has helped us reach out to people, connect with them. And in this whole initiative, the local people, they're at the heart of this whole initiative. And we are looking forward to, just after COVID, to give, I think, to put this whole initiative again in a rapid and more sustainable mode. So thank you so much. My heartfelt gratitude to the whole team of Scotch for recognizing this initiative and encouraging us. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to you. Collector Office Tapi, District Collector Mr. Rashnikant Halani, Water Conservation and Sustainability. Mr. Tej Pratap Singh Fulka, Deputy Commissioner from Barnala, Rejuvenation of Ponds.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. I am actually representing my DC, sir. Thank you so much for this initiative and encouraging our project for rejuvenation of ponds. And we are basically focusing on regulating groundwater and recharging it and reviving the aquatic life. That's the soul behind this rejuvenation of ponds. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Chief Medical Officer Mr. Rajesh Mohan Srivastav from District Administration Bahraich for Project Mamta. Mr. Jabir Arya, Deputy Commissioner from Bhiwani, Women's Week, Udan.
Good evening to everybody. Myself, Javi Singharia. I am thankful to Scotch Group, stakeholders, jury, and every participants, and that we are selected for order of merit certificates and qualification for semi-finals. Basically, we focused on women empowerment and women and girls empowerment in Haryana with multi-dimensional approach regarding their improvement in health, sport, political participation, economic independence. So we celebrated and this Women Week in the symbol of Udan and Meri Beti Meri Pehchan and nameplates in the names of the house. The name of the girl was Mountain, and even all the officers government houses nameplates were in the name of the girl child, Mountain in their houses. Thank you.
Excellent work. Excellent. Congratulations to you and the entire team. District Administration Kachar, Deputy Commissioner, Ms. Kirti Jali for Pushti Nirbhar. Anyways, congratulations to you. I move on to invite Deputy Commissioner, Mr. Yashpal, District Administration Faridabad for Nari Utthan.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to extend a heartfelt thank you from the Deputy Commissioner, Shri Yashpal Yadav, sir. The entire objective of the project was to work on targeted interventions to improve the sex ratio at birth by monitoring of the pregnancies in the district and also going by way of capacity building and leading other interventions with respect to women empowerment. Apologies for the absence of sir, but heartfelt gratitude from his side. And thank you so much for recognizing our efforts from the district administration of Faridabad. Thanks once again.
Regards to Mr. Mahavir Kaushik, Deputy Commissioner from Fatehabad, Virtual Control Room of NIC.
नमस्कार सर, मैं Fatehbad Sikandar. I am really thankful to Narhari Singh Bangar, ex Deputy Commissioner of Fatehbad, Sri Mahavir Kaushik DC Fatehbad, and our SIO sir, Sri Deepak Bansal sir, जिनके गाइडलाइंस में हम NIC एक बहुत बढ़िया इनिशिएटिव कर रहे हैं, फतेहाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट में IT सर्विसेज को बढ़ा रहे हैं. Once again, I am very thankful to you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. Collector and District Magistrate Mr. Deepak Singla from Gadchiroli, Project Connecting Gadchiroli.
Yeah, thank you to Scotch Awards for recognizing our work. Being a tough and Naxalite district in Maharashtra, so we were able to connect all the important offices and places with our own connection and providing a secure line. So I again thank you Scotch Awards for recognizing our work. Thank you very much.
much. And on behalf of District Administration, Ghaziabad, I'd like to express my gratitude for acknowledging the role of mental health interventions and what Ghaziabad has done during the pandemic. Thank you.
Congratulations. Mr. Mohammad Ishfaq, Deputy Commissioner from Gurdaspur, E-Seva Service Delivery. District Administration, Gurugram, Dr. Yash Garg, Deputy Commissioner for DG Secretariat.
Hello. Hi, good evening all. On behalf of Dr. Yash Garg and the entire District Administration Gurugram, I extend my heartfelt gratitude and thank you to the entire team of Scotch for appreciating our efforts. Basically, this project's objective was to optimally use the resources that are available at the disposal of every government office in order to enhance the service delivery of the end citizens. So thank you once again for this effort and for appreciating us. Thank you.
Congratulations.
We have Mr. Mohammad Ishfaq with us.
All right, we go back to Gurdaspur. Mr. Mohammad Ishfaq for E-Seva Delivery.
So thank you very much. Thank you, Scotch team, for recognizing our services. In Gurdaspur district, all the services are being rendered to the citizen through E-Seva module. So all basic services like birth, registration, marriage, death certificate, arms license, ration card, pension, social security services like this. So normally we are handling 6,000 applications per day and our pendency is 0.01%. So we are able to deliver services to all the citizens, 99.9% citizens within time. It has resulted, nobody is visiting our district office. So practically everybody is getting services at their home residence. It has done a wonders in the lives of people. Thank you.
Mr. Pradeep Dahiya, Deputy Commissioner from Kaithal. Project Parali Navnirman.
Thank you so much to Scotch Awards for giving us this opportunity to apply, and we are really grateful for getting this award. This is Chief Minister's Good Governance Associate in Kaithal. I would like to I'm grateful to our ex-Deputy Commissioner, Shri Shadran Singh, for giving me this opportunity to execute this project. This project basically focuses on a secure supply chain of stubble, wherein we are giving additional income to 10,000 plus farmers, whereas tackling the problem of stubble burning. And moving forward, Mr. Pradeep Dahiya, Deputy Commissioner in Kaithal right now, will be taking to
End of announcements for the second round of Scotch Order of Merit semi-finalists.